How to make cutouts of pictures. Now, making cutouts of pictures basically means you want to save the picture without the background and only keep the subject as a sticker, as a PNG, or as a photo file. There are two ways to do this. One is if your phone offers the way to remove the background. Now, in the case of my Samsung Galaxy or even iPhones or like Xiaomi devices on HyperOS or One UI, you could simply open your gallery, and on the new update what we can do is we can just go ahead and then long press on the subject. When we long press on the subject, you can see the cutout has been separated. Now I can choose to similarly save this as a sticker, or I can tap the three dots and save that particular cutout as an image. But not all the phones might have this feature available like this, right? So in that case, we have to rely on a third-party application. Go to your Play Store, App Store, search for any picture cutout application. In this case, I've just chosen this background eraser app. Now you can go ahead and then simply launch it. Now if it is a free app, then in that case you might have to deal with some of the ads. Nowadays you don't even need an app to create a cutout. You can go to any website, select here and upload your photo right there. So I'll tap on this remove background, I'll select allow all. Let me just select the same particular photo and see how it does. Over here it will automatically, you can see it will remove the photo or the background. Now I can tap the share option, save it as a cutout. This is how you can make cutouts of pictures. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.